Hello, my name is Olga Henriksson and I would like to welcome you to this beautiful place of Jokkfall, a beautiful waterfall. And this place is situated in the north of Sweden, beyond the Arctic Circle. And I hope you can hear the power of this waterfall. It's just amazing. So, today we are going to practice the Kriya for our electromagnetic field, to charge it, and this waterfall will help us to do that because it's very, very, very powerful. So, and I hope you hear its sound. So I would like you to close your eyes and ground into your body. Inhale, exhale. Listen to this powerful sound of the waves, of the fall. Powerful sound of life. So you can continue, have your eyes closed. Connect them to your third eye. Elongate your spine, relax your shoulders, lift up your heart and start rubbing your hands together. We are going to tune in with a mantra, Om Namo Guru Dev Namo, 3 times. And this mantra means, I bow to the divine consciousness within me. I bow to the teacher within me. So please put your hands to your sternum. Inhale. Exhale fully. Inhale to begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Inhale again. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. And the last time, inhale. Om Namo Inhale, lift the molar band, rectum, sexual organs, navel. Inhale, hold. Gazing into your third eye, power point between your eyes, brows. Hold. And exhale. Exhale, put your hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra and just experience your experience. So, and the Kriya for today is the following. The mudra, your hands should be quite tense and stiff. We are going to kind of pretend that they are lion pose, and we are going to move our hands crossing above our heads. Inhale up, exhale down, and we are alternating. So you see first the right arm in front of, then the left arm in front of. So just moving like that. And we are going to do that for some time. So this is the movement. So let's start doing it together. Come on, so close your eyes and just start breathing. Inhale up, exhale down through the nose. Just work with your power. And this is electromagnetic field of ours is being activated with the help of our breath, with the help of our arms movement. We are charging it and we are strengthening it. And remember, stiff fingers, and you are doing just great. Inhale up, exhale down. Beautiful. And with each movement, you are getting stronger and stronger. You are doing beautifully. Do your best. Relax the jaw. Almost halfway through. You are doing beautifully. You are strong. You are powerful. Excellent, excellent work. while doing this movement, you are strengthening your nervous system as well and your heart. Because our hands and our arms are connected to the heart. They are the heart's wings, as it said, or wings of the heart. And while doing this movement, you can also connect to your beautiful heart. Feel the movement. You are doing just great. It's an excellent movement for the whole system of yours. You are going to be extra strong when we are done with this movement. Just 20 seconds left. And now, just a little bit more. Just stretch your tongue out and breathe through your mouth. We are almost there. Just a couple of movements. Beautiful. And now we just stretch your arms. Lift the Mula band. Inhale and hold. Hold. Focus on your third eye. Direct your energy. Exhale. And one more time. Stretch your arms. Stretch. Inhale. Lift the Mula band. Hold. With the whole body almost. Exhale. And the last time. Stretch your arms. Inhale. Lift the Mula band. Hold. And exhale. And now let's just sit and meditate. Experience the experience. Notice the energy of your body. circulating around it. Where do you feel your energy right now? Now we have charged our electromagnetic field. We have activated it, and it's very important because it protects us. Now just listen to the vibrations of the waterfall. It will give you extra energy, extra vibration, extra activation. A power of the northern waterfall, a power in you. And now we are going to tune out with the mantra Sat Nam, truth is my identity. So please start rubbing your hands together. Put them to your sternum. Relax your shoulders, elongate your spine, focus on your third eye. Inhale. Exhale fully. Inhale to begin. Sat Nama. Inhale again. Sat Nama. And the last time, inhale. Sat Nama. All the power to you, light to you, love to you, health and strength to you. Thank you for today's class. It was a powerful one and you've done a perfect job. Namaste and Sat Nam. If you have some time, please lie in Shavasana. It's very much important just for your body to accumulate all the strength, all the energy that you have created during this class. Have a beautiful part of the day. Sat Nam.